Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to locate your AdMob Publisher ID from your AdMob dashboard. So now there are a lot of things you're going to do. Maybe you're working on your app that you want to put on the Play Store, and then you need your Publisher ID, right? Some platforms are going to ask you for that, so they can be an integration with your app. So just log into your AdMob dashboard, select the app, or even without selecting the app, then click on the icon you have here, right? Then you're going to see your publisher ID right there. So go ahead and grab the publisher ID from PUB. It starts with a PUB, which signifies publisher ID, and copy that. So that's your AdMob publisher ID. Okay.